If you want to move an existing WordPress site to be hosted with Website Pro, the Import tab makes site migration simple. First, install and activate the all-in-one WordPress migration plugin on the site you want to import into Website Pro. This plugin will export your entire WordPress site, including database, media, plugins, and themes. To export your site, find the all-in-one WordPress migration menu option and select the Export tab. Then, choose where you want to export to. Once you are done exporting your old site, head to your Website Pro WordPress dashboard. Again, you will install and activate the all-in-one WordPress migration plugin on this site. This time, find the all-in-one WordPress migration menu option and select the Import tab. Here, you will select the file you just exported from your old site. And voila! Your existing WordPress site is now imported into Website Pro.